Hello everyone. It is important for me to give you this notice because I got it from the CuBig official Telegram channel. So if you are in my team, as you know, we are over 300 members directly under me in CuBig. This video should be valuable to you because it's going to give you an idea of what they are talking about in their Telegram channel. So that being said, let us go to the Telegram channel and read directly the important notice that they've just put up there. So this is the official Telegram channel of CuBig. So I am just going to scroll down and go to the important information so that you guys will read along with me. So this is the information there. It said important notice. Dear users, starting from July 1st, which is yesterday because today is 2nd that I'm recording this video, okay? All CuBig Club benefits, 5% to 50%, will be officially activated and begin tracking. Club benefits requires monthly package renewal and daily add tasks completion. Cloud storage package will only be activated once the official app is launched. Please ensure you renew your monthly package on time to avoid losing your club benefits. Thank you for your continued support. CuBig team. This is it. This is exactly the important notice that they've put up on their official Telegram channel, that starting from 1st of July, which is yesterday, the club benefits between 5% to 50% will be officially activated and begin tracking. So I will definitely explain more about all of this information in my next video, but I just thought you guys should know about this important notice. If you are not already in CuBig official Telegram channel, I will strongly advise you to join this channel because this is the only place that we can get accurate and most updated information. Okay, don't fail to ask me the link to join this Telegram channel because I prefer for you to even be in this Telegram channel and read off the latest important information that is coming on. So thank you very much, guys. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of watching my video, please do subscribe. If you have been visiting my channel and you've not subscribed, please also subscribe and share the video with your team members in CuBig. Thank you.